Novel drug delivery systems, NDDS. Traditional drug delivery methods, like tablets and capsules, have served medicine well for a long time. However, researchers are constantly innovating and developing novel drug delivery systems, NDDS, to overcome the limitations of conventional methods and improve therapeutic outcomes. What are NDDS? NDDS are essentially new approaches, formulations, technologies, and systems designed to deliver pharmaceutical compounds into the body in a controlled and targeted manner. They aim to achieve benefits of NDDS, enhanced therapeutic efficacy. Targeted delivery allows the drug to reach the site of action directly, minimizing waste and potentially requiring lower doses. This can lead to a stronger therapeutic effect. Controlled release ensures a steady level of the drug in the bloodstream for a prolonged period, maximizing its effectiveness. Reduced side effects. By delivering the drug to the target site, NDDS minimize exposure to healthy tissues, potentially reducing unwanted side effects associated with conventional methods. Improved patient compliance. NDDS can offer more convenient administration methods like sustained release formulations or transdermal patches, reducing dosing frequency and improving adherence to treatment regimens. Dosage optimization. Controlled release allows for precise dosing, potentially minimizing the risk of overdosing or underdosing and optimizing treatment efficiency. Treatment of previously untreatable conditions. NDDS offer new possibilities for delivering drugs that were previously difficult to administer effectively, opening doors for treatment of challenging conditions. Applications of novel drug delivery systems, NDDS. 1. Cancer therapy. Targeted drug delivery systems are widely used in cancer therapy to selectively deliver chemotherapeutic agents to tumor cells while minimizing systemic toxicity. Nanoparticle-based formulations, liposomes, and antibody-drug conjugates, ADCs, are commonly employed in cancer treatment to enhance drug accumulation at the tumor site. 2. Chronic diseases. NDDS is utilized in the treatment of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and neurodegenerative disorders to provide sustained release of medications and improve patient compliance. Implantable devices and transdermal patches offer long-term drug delivery solutions for chronic conditions requiring continuous medication. 3. Infectious diseases. NDDS play a crucial role in the treatment of infectious diseases by delivering antimicrobial agents directly to the site of infection while minimizing systemic exposure and off-target effects. Inhalation delivery systems are used to administer antibiotics and antifungal agents directly to the respiratory tract for the treatment of respiratory infections. 4. Pain management. Transdermal patches and controlled release formulations are used in pain management to provide sustained relief from chronic pain conditions, such as arthritis and neuropathic pain. Implantable devices, such as drug-eluting implants, can deliver analgesic medications locally to the site of pain, reducing the need for systemic opioids and minimizing side effects. 5. Neurological disorders. NDDS is employed in the treatment of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and epilepsy, to improve drug delivery to the central nervous system and enhance therapeutic efficacy. Nanotechnology-based delivery systems and intranasal delivery routes offer promising approaches for delivering neurotherapeutics across the blood-brain barrier. 6. Vaccination. NDDS is utilized in vaccine delivery to enhance immune responses, improve vaccine stability, and enable controlled release of antigens. Nanoparticle-based vaccine formulations and mucosal delivery systems offer novel approaches for vaccine development and immunization strategies. Types of novel drug delivery systems, NDDS. 1. Liposomes. Liposomes are lipid-based vesicles composed of phospholipid bilayers that can encapsulate hydrophilic and hydrophobic drugs. They offer advantages such as biocompatibility, biodegradability, and the ability to encapsulate both water-soluble and lipid-soluble drugs. Liposomes can be surface-modified to improve targeting and stability. 2. Nanoparticles. Nanoparticles are colloidal particles with sizes typically ranging from 1 to 1000 nanometers. They can be made from various materials such as polymers, metals, lipids, and proteins. Nanoparticles offer unique properties such as high surface area, tunable drug release kinetics, and the ability to cross biological barriers. Common types include polymeric nanoparticles, metallic nanoparticles, and lipid nanoparticles, for example, solid lipid nanoparticles and nanostructured lipid carriers. 3. Mitals. Mitals are self-assembling structures formed by amphiphilic molecules in aqueous solutions. They can encapsulate hydrophobic drugs within their core, solubilizing them in aqueous environments. Mitals offer advantages such as improved drug solubility, stability, and bioavailability. Polymeric mitals, lipid-based mitals, and mixed mitals are examples of micellar drug delivery systems. 4. Dendrimers. Dendrimers are highly branched, synthetic macromolecules with well-defined structures and nanoscale dimensions. They can be engineered to encapsulate drugs within their interior or conjugate drugs to their surface. Dendrimers offer advantages such as multivalency, precise control over size and composition, and the ability to deliver multiple drugs simultaneously. Types of novel drug delivery systems, NDDs. 5. Polymeric drug delivery systems. Polymeric drug delivery systems utilize biocompatible and biodegradable polymers to encapsulate, release, and target drugs. They can be formulated as nanoparticles, microparticles, hydrogels, or implants. Polymeric systems offer versatility in drug loading, release kinetics, and surface modification for targeting purposes. 6. Implantable devices. Implantable drug delivery devices are designed to deliver drugs locally or systemically over an extended period. They can be made from biodegradable or non-biodegradable materials and may contain reservoirs, osmotic pumps, or controlled release matrices. Implantable devices offer advantages such as long-term drug release, improved patient compliance, and reduced systemic side effects. 7. Transdermal and topical delivery systems. Transdermal and topical delivery systems enable the administration of drugs through the skin for systemic or localized effects. They include transdermal patches, creams, gels, foams, and ointments. These systems offer advantages such as non-invasive administration, sustained release, and avoidance of first-pass metabolism. 8. Inhalation delivery systems. Inhalation delivery systems are used to administer drugs directly to the lungs for the treatment of respiratory diseases or for systemic delivery. They include metered-dose inhalers, dry powder inhalers, nebulizers, and pressurized metered-dose inhalers. Inhalation systems offer advantages such as rapid onset of action, high drug bioavailability, and targeted delivery to the respiratory tract. 9. Gene and cell-based delivery system. Gene and cell-based delivery systems involve the delivery of therapeutic genes, proteins, or cells to treat genetic disorders, cancer, and other diseases. They include viral vectors, non-viral vectors, ex vivo gene therapy, and stem cell therapy. These systems offer potential cures for diseases by replacing or repairing defective genes, modulating gene expression, or restoring cellular function. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities, and all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purposes only. Any copyrighted material on these slides is included as fair use for educational purposes only. It will be removed at the request of copyright owners.